this very quick video guide, we're going to come back in Myminifactory website. We already talked about this in a previous guide in this playlist about 3D printing. So it's a website that shares and sells models that can be printed and that can be, of course, downloaded. Now, these authors have created their models probably in Blender or ZBrush or Matbox. And if you're interested, you can find these tools. Now, we're going to have a look to the customizer, which is a specific part of Myminifactory website. So you can search for the website by searching in Google, and you can get here to explore, or you can just type customizer. Now that's a pretty interesting tool because it gives you the possibility to customize your design and then download it and save it in your computer, and then if you want you can also print it. So if you're here, then you can go here to makers, personalized design now. So there are some authors that have published some free customizer that you can try, and with this, you can have an understanding of how it works. So I've chosen a few of these. This one here is the robot customizer. So you can change parts of the robot, and then you can download the file. So I can customize the arms, I can customize the body, the head, and once I'm finished and I'm happy with it, I can then download it and use it. And let's go to the next one. Just going to make a couple of examples. The next one is going to be the cat. Cat is pretty fun. So it only changes the part of the pendant or of the collar. So if I want a simple collar, or if I want another decoration and the bow tie or others. And this is a house customizer. Again, you can change the roof, some parts like the doors, the front steps, the windows, and you can decide how you want this to be downloaded and printed. Now, to download, you need to click on the download button. You need to have an account, so you create an account, and then you will be able to download models and objects. Last one will be the tag, which is this one here, the name tag customizer. I think it also is pretty explanatory of the potentiality of the tool. So here I can start by selecting how many letters I want. So if I want to create something with 3 letters or 8 letters or 6 letters, 7 letters, etc., etc., I'm gonna go for 8 letters. Once I have the exact size, then I can start defining the letters. So I'm gonna type J and then move to the second letter and enter B and then D. So you can compose any name, and again, you print it. You can download it, sorry, then print it in 3D with a 3D printer, or you go to a shop, and that's it. You can use it. You can also, if you have a plastic print, you can also then change it into metal in a jewelry shop. And there you go. So I think it's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty fast, pretty self-explanatory. So nothing to add to this. I hope you enjoyed this video guide, and if you did, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of courses and guides on 3D modeling, 3D rendering websites that can help you. And you can use these for entertainment. You can use this for serious stuff like education or product design, etc., etc. So if you go here, I think you can also upload your models and sell them, make maybe some incomes. So you can buy, you can find free stuff. And I think that's good enough for Myminifactory. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And if you want to thank us, support us, you can join the channel as a supporter and check our other video guides and then video courses in 3D model, 3D sculpting, like ZBrush, Matbox, Blender, etc., etc. That's going to be all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.